Number 11. As soon as she gets her pension, Malaika's quitting her job for good. A. Forever. B. For a long time. C. For as long as possible. For good means letter A. Forever. Number 12. When we went to Japan, we were in Tokyo for the whole time. A. Some of the time. B. Most of the time. C. All of the time. Answer is, the whole time means letter C. All of the time. Number 13. Frank releases new music every once in a while. A. Regularly. B. Occasionally. C. Repeatedly. Answer is, every once in a while means letter B. Occasionally. Number 14. Villa Supermarket is open round the clock. A. 24 hours a day. B. 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. C. All year round. Round the clock means letter A. 24 hours a day. Number 15. I got a text message from Omar the other day. A. 1 day ago. B. A few days ago. C. Many days ago. Answer is, the other day means a few days ago. Number 16. Our bus was leaving at 7 a.m. and we got there just in time. A. Just after it left. B. Long before it left. C. Just before it left. Answer is, just in time means letter B. Long before it left.